Good morning, everyone, and good evening in India and Europe. Your breath is powerful. Every Wellness Wednesdays, we learn and talk about one type of pranayama with Shri Amit Eknathji, who's a yoga guru and doctor of naturopathy. Namaste, Amit Eknathji.
Namaste, Amitaji. Good morning to USA and good evening to India and the Europe. All of you, welcome to in this session. Thank you so much to joining us. Thank you so much.
Well, what are we going to learn today, Amit Eknathji?
Today we are going to do very interesting practice and which is very scientific and very effective for each and everyone. This practice generally anybody can do and anywhere they can do this practice. The name of the practice is Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama. What does it mean? So in Hindi, if you go to the Sanskrit, the meaning of the Sanskrit is Ut Jor Jai, means victory. Ud means the bondation. So if you want to free from the bondation, this Ujjayi Pranayama is excellent practice. And people, those who are suffering from depression, only this such type of people, they can't do this practice, and the rest of the people, they can do this practice anywhere, anytime. The beauty of this practice is this practice you can do while walking. This practice you can do while sitting, while lie down also. So this is the beauty of this practice. And people, those who are suffering from the sleeping problems, they can do this practice during the sleeping time in night also. People, those who want to experience the deep experience of meditation, before go to meditation, they can do also this practice because the state of the mind is just trance. Means mentally you will be fully prepared to go to the meditation. And this is also a very effective practice. People, those are suffering from the dhatus problems, the seven dhatus according to Ayurveda, if you this Ujjayi Pranayama, this Ujjayi Pranayama beneficial for all the seven dhatus. And Ujjayi Pranayama is also very effective for the throat region. Okay, and it's make you cool, calm, relax. But during the practice, the body heat will be increased, but mentally you will be calm, cool, and relaxed. So let's do this practice. How to do that? See, during the practice of Ujjayi Pranayama, you totally focus the throat region because the sound is coming just like a sleeping baby's sound. Have you seen that sometime when the baby are sleeping? So you see the very small, very soft sounding sound is coming from there. So the such a sound will be coming from the throat region when you inhale and exhale. So just I'm just giving you the showing you how to do this practice. And if you want to do the best maximum benefit of this practice, you can also lock your Khechri Mudra. But I'm not going to teach you right now the Khechri Mudra because we have a very less time. So just do the simple practice, and the simple is the also effective, very effective. So let's sit any comfortable meditative asana. Your palms should be either Gyan Mudra, Chin Mudra, or Hriday Mudra. Make sure your whole back, spine, neck, head should be straight in a one line. And very slowly, softly, gently relax the whole body, relax the shoulders, and slowly, softly, gently, your eyes should be closed. Relax your eyes, relax your whole face and the facial muscles. Make sure the weight should be equal and just look at your breath. Body breaths in, body breaths out. You are breathing in, become aware. Breathing out, become aware, and then slowly, slowly shift your awareness at your throat region area. Just become aware there's a hollow, which is with the help of this hollow, the breathing is moving in and out. So completely focus your throat area. Just stay here for some time, at least 3 times more. Inhale, exhale. And now just lock your epiglottis, contracted that area. And inhale, exhale. The sound should be coming just like a swooning sound, a sleeping baby sound. Keep going on this breathing like a 5 times more. Sound should be just like a swooning sound, softer, baby, sleeping sound. Still you lock your epiglottis. Once you complete your round, stay here for some time. In the beginning, this is very difficult to get the swooning sound, but once you start this practice, after some time, after maybe few days, you will get a correct position, the correct technique, how to inhale and exhale, how to feel the breathing in and out through your throat region. See the state of the mind, you feel relaxed, cool, calm. As I told you, the people, those are suffering from the sleeping problem, this is very good. People, those who are mental stress, tension, this practice is excellent to reduce all the mental stress and tensions, make you cool, calm, and free from the thoughts. This is also excellent practice if you're going to do the deep meditation. Before meditation, you can do this practice. And as I told you, people, those are suffering from disorder of the 7 dhatus, so this is also good for the 7 dhatus as per the Ayurveda. And last but not the least, if you want to victory each and every field in your life, the Ujjayi Pranayama is the symbol of the victory. So just be positive with this pranayama, do every day, be happy, healthy, and free from all type of disease. So let's do the ending of this session with 3 times with divine sound, A, U, M, all together. Breath in. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Now please rub your palming and touch your eyes and face. Feel the positive vibes, the vibration. And very slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much. Be connected, and we are here for every Wednesday for the next pranayama. Thank you so much. Be healthy and happy, all of you. Thank you, Amitaji.
Namaste. Thank you so much. See you next Wednesday. Thank you.
Thank you.